Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by enabling Remote Play on the Ps4 because that lets your console accept a laptop connection. Make sure the Ps4 is updated and signed into your PSN account. Remote Play requires the same account on the laptop. Next, install the PS Remote Play app on your laptop, open it, and sign in. Connect your DualShock 4 controller via USB or pair over Bluetooth so you can control the console once the video stream starts. Once done with accounts and controller, optimize the network because video requires stable bandwidth. Use wired Ethernet for the Ps4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi on both devices to reduce latency. On the Ps4, enable Stay Connected to the Internet and confirm Remote Play is allowed in system settings. Then open the Remote Play app on your laptop. The app will search automatically for the Ps4 or ask for a connection code. Enter it if prompted to pair the devices manually. To finish, configure streaming quality in the Remote Play app so you balance resolution versus latency. Lower settings if stutter occurs. Start the Remote Play session and verify controller input and audio. If it fails, restart the router, Ps4, and laptop and try wired connections to isolate wireless problems. Make sure NAT type is compatible and consider port forwarding on your router only if persistent disconnects or high latency remain. This helps stabilize direct connections between your laptop and Ps4.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.